So once you've done unit conversions or conversion problems where you are converting between one unit and another, you might be wondering what happens if I have a squared term or a cubed term in there. So as always, we want to make sure that we have our conversion factors and that our units cancel. So if we think about a yardstick, so we can write the statement that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Or if we write that as a conversion factor, in 1 yard, there are 3 feet, or 3 feet make up 1 yard. So if we wanted to say, how many feet are in 2 yards? What we would do is start with our given, 2 yards. We would choose the conversion factor. That would cancel out yards. We would choose this one. And we would write, there are 3 feet in 1 yard. And so that would be equal to 6 feet. So we could imagine drawing this. This is our yardstick. And then we had 2 of them. We would count 1, 2, 3, and then times 2. So that would mean 6 feet. Let's say now that instead they say, how many feet are in 1 yard squared? Okay, so we have 1 yard squared. We start with our given. We're going to multiply by one of these conversion factors. Let's choose this one again, so that way the yard's in the denominator. Cancel the yard here. We write 1 yard, 3 feet. But you'll notice if we just use it like this, one of the yards would cancel, but then there's another yard here. So this is yard squared, so a yard times a yard. And so what we have to do is actually square this whole term and square that whole term. And so the units will cancel. Now if we have a yard squared in the numerator and yard squared in the denominator, those will cancel. So what we'll do is we'll multiply now 1 times 3 squared is 9. The yard squareds cancel, and then we're left with our answer in feet squared. And so to visualize this, if we imagine this line is our yardstick, and then we have 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot. If we were to square it, we can think of it now in 2 dimensions. So this would be 1 yard times 1 yard, or we could think of it as 9 feet squared.